Montreal has activated its emergency response plan in preparation for potential flooding this weekend. The highest alert remains in place as heavy rain is forecasted, which could worsen water levels in vulnerable areas. The highest flood risks are in the northern and western boroughs of Montreal, with nearby municipalities like Vaudreuil-Dorion and Ile-Perrot also monitoring water levels closely and staying alert. Preventive actions including checking pumps, installing wave barriers, and increasing patrols are underway to protect residents and reduce the impact of flooding. Authorities continue to prioritize safety as conditions evolve.